Laptop HDMI port not detecting external display. Are you tired of staring at a blank monitor while your work piles up? It is incredibly frustrating when you just want to get things done, but your tech won't cooperate. But don't worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home right now. Just follow this guide until the end. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I will personally reply within 1 hour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Tech Vibes, for more helpful fixes. Let's start with the basics. First, check your physical connections. Unplug the HDMI cable from both ends. Look for any bent pins or dust inside the port. Blow into it gently to clear any debris. Then, plug it back in firmly. If it still doesn't work, try a different HDMI cable if you have one. Cables can fail internally without showing outside damage. Next, let's check your projection settings. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter P at the same time. A menu will pop up. Make sure you select Extend or Duplicate. Sometimes your PC is simply set to PC screen only. If that didn't work, let's look at your display settings. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Display. Scroll down to Multiple Displays and click on the Detect button. Windows will try to find the connected monitor. Now, let's move to more advanced fixes. Your graphics drivers might be outdated or corrupted. Right-click your Start button and select Device Manager. This is where we manage your hardware. Find the section called Display Adapters and click the arrow to expand it. You will see your graphics card listed. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. If you recently updated your driver and the port stopped working, you should select Properties, then click Rollback Driver. Another very effective method is a hard reset. This clears the static electricity from your motherboard ports. Shut down your laptop completely. Unplug the charger and all other cables, including the HDMI. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This drains all remaining power from the internal components. Plug everything back in and turn your laptop on. Now, reconnect your monitor to see if it works. If you are still having trouble, we need to check an uncommon fix in your BIOS settings. Restart your laptop and enter BIOS. Look for a setting called Integrated Graphics or Multi-Monitor Support. Ensure these are set to Enabled. Sometimes an update can accidentally disable the secondary output in the system firmware. By following these steps, your monitor should now be working perfectly. Troubleshooting takes patience, but you did it. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. Stay connected, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.